Hey everyone, this is Rosemarie from the Unfinished Lesson. Today we're looking at YouTube, how to upload a video from the Photos app. So the first thing we need to do is go into our Photos app, in my case at the top of the screen there, and whatever folder you have your video in, you can go there and then top right hand corner hit select. Select the video or videos that you would like, and then go to the top left hand corner where our share button is. It looks like a square with an arrow up, and it brings up the different apps we can use. In this case, we're going to select YouTube. Once we've selected it, we're going to have our screen come up that lets us fill in the information. The first thing we need is a title. We don't need anything fancy. Actually, really stating what it is we're doing helps in the searches. So get your video on YouTube. And a description just helps YouTube figure out whether our video is a good fit. And as you can see, my autocorrect is trying to capitalize words it doesn't need to. But we fill this in, and in this case, it's just going to be a step-by-step guide to publishing your videos on YouTube through the Photos app. Once we're done, scroll down. We're going to leave it at standard definition. There really isn't a need for HD. And then under tags, this is another way that YouTube allows us to reach our audience better or to reach new people. So in this case, I'm going to type in tutorial. We continue to scroll down and we have category. I'm not sure if this is for everyone. Mine always shows up as comedy. Change it to education. And then continue to scroll down. It will close that for us. And here we have our privacy settings. We can choose public, which is what I do for all my tutorial videos. Unlisted is what I use for video makeup lessons in my studio. And private is what I'm selecting today because this particular video is actually being used in the tutorial video you're watching right now. When you're ready, hit the publish button on the top right-hand side of the screen. And then you'll see that YouTube is doing the work. It's getting everything ready. We can view it on YouTube, which is what we're going to do, or tell a friend. This works well if you have a makeup lesson. And so it brings up the YouTube. This screen is completely normal. Don't worry about it. There's a down arrow on the top left. Swipe to the side to get rid of that video. And you'll notice it's not showing up in the folder I want. Again, not a problem, because we just need to set that up. So I'm going to go over to my videos on the left-hand side of the screen, and you'll see that the video is there. The three gray dots to the right of the video are what we're going to press. And once we've pressed them, we can add to playlist. And here I have tutorials. And you can set this up however you want within your studio. Once you click away or tap away from that section, we're done. Thanks for watching. If you want more tech ideas for your studio, go ahead and visit us at www.theunfinishedlesson.com. We'd love to see you there. Bye.